Next-generation airships will be used to transport cargo to remote areas of the Arctic zone. This ambitious project will be put into practice within the next 5 years. The experimental flight of the first airship will take place in October in the Moscow region. Our colleagues in Moscow also had the chance to get a glimpse of the future and see the prototype of the cargo airship.
The new model of the hybrid cargo airship, with a volume of 35,000 cubic meters, will be able to transport up to 10 tons of cargo in the Arctic region. Unlike the dangerous hydrogen airships of the past, modern airships use safe helium.
There are plans to develop airship construction directly in the Republic as part of the programs that were recently outlined and assigned by Isin Sergeyevich Nikolaev, our head of the Republic, regarding the development of unmanned aviation. Today we are launching such a state program. Today, our Republic is establishing a scientific and production center for the development of autonomous technologies, including unmanned aerial vehicles.
Today, airships are experiencing a revival. Low cargo transportation costs and the ability to reach hard-to-access areas are the main advantages of these airborne giants, which will allow them to reclaim their place in the sky.
I believe there is potential. The project is substantial and well-founded. It is backed by solid engineering preparation and foundations. And most importantly, we also need to take into account the climatic factor of Yakutia. It's crucial that the electronics, all the new materials, and fabrics used in this technology are capable of operating not only over long distances, but also in extreme temperatures.
Our project is related to the construction of a small-scale nuclear power plant in the far north. We believe it will help us solve the problems we've encountered. This will ensure uninterrupted delivery of cargo, year-round operation. It won't depend on the time of year or on navigation.
The first experimental flight of the second-generation cargo airship will take place in unmanned mode at the Voskresensk airfield. It is expected that flight tests of the aircraft will also be conducted in Yakutia under low-temperature conditions.
Right now, the control system and a number of technical parameters of this machine are being adjusted. That's it. Within 2 weeks, we expect to complete this work and move the aircraft to flight testing.
By the end of this year, we will finish setting up our own production of large envelopes. And then, at the end of this year, we will create our first aircraft. So, it turns out, in just 1 year, we built our first 2000 model. In Yakutia, obviously, all of this is needed, and that's partly why we worked so hard and assembled these airships. We'll be happy to come, set up locally, test, and put them to use.
Tiara Konstantinova, Adel Badenov, Voskresensk, Moscow region.